2.2. Advanced Data Management. JSON, APIs, and Databases. Welcome to Module 2.2, Advanced Data Management. Here, we dive into the realms of JSON, APIs, and databases, core components that give structure and access to the data that powers our programs. Imagine JSON, or JavaScript Object Notation, as the universal language of data on the web. It's like the Esperanto for applications, simple, easy to understand, and used everywhere. Let's say you want to store information about a book. In JSON, it looks like a digital card catalog with a clear label for each piece of information, enclosed in curly braces. For example, title, Gulliver's Travels, author, Jonathan Swift, year, 1726. Notice the quotation marks around both the label and the value. This is JSON's way of hugging the data tightly, keeping it secure and unambiguous. Now, let's talk APIs, or application programming interfaces. Think of an API as a maître d' at a restaurant. You request the roast chicken, that's your API call. The kitchen, a.k.a. the server, prepares the dish, and the maître d' brings it to your table. In tech terms, you make a request to a web server, and the API responds with data, usually in JSON format. To put this into action, imagine fetching live weather data. You'd send an HTTP request, "Hey, API, what's the weather like in Paris?" and receive a JSON response with temperature, humidity, and more. It's a conversation where requests are met with data-rich responses. Now, on to databases, vast digital storehouses. Picture a library with endless rows of books. That's what a database is like for data. We interact with databases through languages like SQL, asking questions, or queries, to retrieve specific data. Say you want to find all books by Hemingway. Your SQL query would be select from books where author equals Hemingway. This politely asks the database to show you all the places where Hemingway's books are tucked away. Each of these tools, JSON for formatting, APIs for accessing, and databases for storing, are crucial. They're the gears in a grand data clock, ticking in unison to keep the information flowing seamlessly in and out of our applications. By mastering these, you'll be equipped to manage data effectively, a skill that stands as a cornerstone in the architecture of modern programming. Remember, whether it's a single data point or a stream of complex data structures, the power lies in how you harness and articulate this digital language. So, let's continue this journey, transforming you into a fluent data whisperer, one who can speak, interpret, and utilize the very lifeblood of our digital world.